Hey everybody! Well, I just wanted to pop in here real fast and let you know that the incredible webinar workshop is coming up. So it's time to make a difference. This year, it's time to actually set goals that stick. So how in the world do we do that? Because there's so many people that set goals, have really good intentions, really want to make a change, really want to make a difference in their life, in the lives of other people, in the lives of their family. They want to make a difference in their finances. They want to make a difference in their health, in their community. There's so many people with so many good intentions. And then what happens? It just kind of falls to the side because we don't know how to make a difference in our life because we haven't made a difference up here first. And so we have to understand if what we're doing and the way that we've been doing things in the past couple years on how we're setting goals or how we're trying to follow through, if that's not working, then we have to do something different. We have to take a different approach. We have to think about things differently. And that's what this workshop is going to be all about. It is going to be all about how to set goals that stick. And I will be covering the 5 proven strategies to ensure you reach your goals. 5 things. That's it. And I'm so excited about this. This is stuff that I've been helping people with for years and years and years. And it's just minor adjustments. It's nothing major. It is nothing major. It's just a few tweaks on what you're already currently doing. See, all you need is the passion and the purpose and the excitement to do something great with your life or to make a change in your life or to do something that really matters. You need that there. I can't do that for you. But what I can do is then send you down the right path. And that's what this is going to be all about. So I'm so excited about this. I can hardly stand it. Thursday, January 7th, 8:30 p.m. Be there. Free workshop. You're going to get a little workbook to help you take notes as we go through it. There's going to be some free goodies in the beginning. Make sure you're on time because I'm going to be doing some on-time giveaways and drawings. I'm going to be giving stuff away during the event, and then at the end of the event, at the end of the workshop, I'm going to be giving away some goodies as well. So don't miss it. Thursday night, 8:30 p.m. Central. Be there.